changes.
So apparently, two die-hard Marvel Avengers fans are willing to spend $15,000 in order to see the newest movie, Marvel Avengers Endgame, on April 26th is the release date, I believe. 15 grand for 2 tickets to see it on opening day at the midnight viewing. I believe it's in New Jersey. It doesn't really surprise me, either California or the New York, New Jersey area, because that's where all the money is. Somebody there was just like, the tickets are all sold out. I'm not driving 4 hours out of town. Here's the 15 grand, I've got more money than I know what to do with, and jump on eBay and get me these tickets. And somebody did it. Now, it could be a troll, it could be a shill bid or a spam, but it looked legit. They were doing some research. It looked legit, like they're not for sale again and the deal had gone through. Be interested to ask the eBay seller if they in fact paid for the item. Now, there is something funny about the April 26th release. Leading up to that, there's going to be a marathon at the movie theaters. I don't know if this is at all of them or just that one, where you can watch all 21 of the previous Avenger movies / Marvel MCU movies leading up to the 22nd, the new one that comes out. Now, the new one, just warning for anybody who does want to watch it, it is 3 hours and 2 minutes. Might be worth waiting till it comes to home so you can go to your own bathroom, eat your own food, and be comfortable rather than watching a 3-hour-plus movie, unless, of course, you go to one of those fancy movie theaters. I don't go to movie theaters. I haven't gone to a movie theater in a long time. Last time I did, we went to one, it's called Cine Bistro here in Tampa, where they bring you out a table, or the table's connected, it flips out, and they bring you out dinner, and it's big, comfortable, and it's cool, it's expensive, it's like a, you know, a crazy, just actual night, you know, dinner and a movie type thing all in one. It's like 150 bucks for 2 people. The tickets are like $25 a person, so you spend 50 to see the movie, and then dinner's like another 25 to 30 bucks a person, so you spend, you know, you're at like $100, $110 before buying any kind of drink or tip or anything. So if you have one of those around you, highly recommend them. Otherwise, you might want to wait for this movie to come out. Now, here's my question for all of you, being that you're eBay sellers. Would you ever, one, risk a transaction like this, selling these tickets for 15 grand? Somebody goes and watches the movie, comes home, and files an item not as described. Now, if you had sold this before March 26th, before the 30-day, but they may not have been on sale, you might have covered yourself a little bit. There's always PayPal chargebacks. But would you risk doing this? Because somebody could certainly file item not as described. You're going to need to have pictures of the tickets, the dates, the usage of the dates of the tickets. You're going to have to go through a lot of trouble to prevent them from doing a chargeback. I always wondered how event tickets worked. I have never sold an event ticket on eBay. I have no experience. There's plenty of niches I have no experience in, but this is one I'm wondering if any of you have ever sold on eBay. Please comment below your experience, the rules, how it works. I will try to find a link to event ticket rules for the rest of you that I can comment below, or that I can link in the description box. And also, you can read the comments from hopefully some experienced people that will comment on it here in my comment section. I want to know how events work on eBay, event tickets, and whether there's a way to charge back, etc. So pretty crazy. Is it worth $15,000 for 2 tickets, $7,500? Thank you to David Katzmeyer, who's also watching all 21 movies. He's from CNET. He did the story, which I'll link below as well. And for me personally, there's no event worth $15,000, $7,500 a ticket. There's a few people I'd pay quite a bit of money to go see. I've paid a lot to see Jimmy Buffett, but not Avengers in a movie. Not something that's going to be free in a couple of months. So that's just a little fun story for you guys here on a Sunday. Hopefully you watched the video from earlier today on my garage sale finds. If you didn't, please do. I'll link that below as well. Lots of links below. Always check the description box for links. And as always, if you guys need any extra help, if you'd like to join the Rockstar Entrepreneur Network group, the private reseller page, if you need training courses or help, those are all below as well. And I have released coaching calls, one-on-one video calls and phone calls with me. They're linked below as well. And any of that you have questions about, RockstarFlipper@gmail.com. Email me, ask, and I will be happy to answer them. I answer all my emails every day right to my phone. See you guys next time. Thank you so much. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.